And this is Kyle with ExpertVillage, and I'm going to be talking about some tips for Sony Acid Pro. Here is where you can come up to really creative stuff by dragging multiple layers, and you can just try it. A lot of times they don't work, but you can try mixing beats. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the top beat and the lower beat and combining them all together. And this is the mute button, and you can hit mute. So that way if you've got a lot of stuff going on, you've got bass and guitars and everything, and you just want to get back to a certain thing, then that's what you're going to use, the mute button. Or you can hit the solo button. And what that does, it's the little exclamation point. It mutes out everything except for that one line. So that way you can quickly go to and reference. Because when you're mixing, a lot of times it gets a little confusing because you've got so much. You know, if you have 5 or 6 or 10 instruments that are playing at one time, if you really want to make sure that you have the right levels, then you might want to go to the solo button so that way you can hear, especially if you're doing vocals and that type of thing.